I don't know why people still have confidence in the Fed, given how the Fed has gotten everything wrong. But I think this might be the last time they've really pushed the envelope when it comes to confidence. Because if you go back to the beginning of this, the financial crisis of 2008, what did the Federal Reserve assure the public early on? Back in 2007, the Fed said, don't worry about subprime. That's contained. It's no big deal. It's nothing. And they even said that if the housing market were to go down, which was something that they didn't expect, but they said the U.S. economy was so strong that even if housing prices went down, it wouldn't matter. The economy would just shrug it off.